Today we had 2012 Mercedes-Benz S550. The ignition customer called me because they say that key stopped working. We did a diagnostic and the key is good, but the ignition switch is damaged. You can see where I turning the key. Nothing happened on the cluster. We got power. Nothing happened right there. See? So we ordered another one and we put it on. I gotta show you what happened after program the new switch with a new key. Because every time I replay the ignition switch, I replay the key too because I warranty my job. All right, we got the other switch in plate. We got the other key. You can see now. Ready to go. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.